Hello guys, today is a Pokemon training card opening day. We have 5 packs and let's go for first pack and we are here. We are aiming to find a Charizard card. And let's have a look. A reverse holo duck trio, and do we have a rare card which is Volcarona? So others are some more cards. The second pack is coming. Meltdown, Marini, another reverse holo. Oh, a holo Toxtricity, sorry, Poltergeist, Combusken, but this is very nice. As you see, Toxtricity and a reverse holo Mr. Mime Galarian version. Okay. Let's go for the third pack. Wishiwashi, Pensage, Tauros. Whoa, a holo Suicune and a reverse holo Toxapex. Okay. For the fourth pack, let's see what we're gonna get. Hydreigon, let's have a look for Hydreigon. It is, I think, only rare. Yep, okay. So with 4 pack we have some holos, but none of them is a rare card for me. At the last pack, let's see what we're gonna get. Tivul, Delcatty. Wow. So today's opening is a bit disappointing, but okay, this will be our first video for opening Pokemon cards. We will make bigger openings and see you at the new videos. Bye bye.